Canada is very proud to partner with Royal Thimphu College and the Bhutan Media Foundation to facilitate this capacity building workshop for media in Bhutan.
Okay, my name is Munita Supa and I'm currently pursuing mass communication in Royal Thimphu College, Bhutan. Firstly, I would like to thank Canadian Embassy for this wonderful opportunity where we got a chance to attend a workshop based on the disinformation and misinformation, fake news. And then we got to learn a lot of stuff, even like I am very grateful. So we were introduced to many tools, how to figure out the fake images, fake news, and then few very informative knowledge where we can apply it to our daily lives. So thank you Canadian Embassy for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Kadinche.
My name is Surindrome Wangchuk. I am a second year mass communication student studying at Royal Thimphu College. Today we had a workshop held by the Canadian Embassy on combating misinformation, disinformation, and also we were taught skills on how to identify fake news, false news, and we were also taught about what satire, and we were taught about various other aspects of how to identify information which could deceive others. So thank you very much Canadian Embassy for sending such skilled people to teach the students of RTC.
I'm Srindama. I'm a reporter from the Bhutanese. So today the workshop was on media information literacy. This is something very new. Though we have studied back in our college and schools about media literacy, this was totally something like new to us, and we got to learn very new things. And now as a journalist, I know like the sources where I can do fact check. I got to learn about how to do fact check and how to verify information, whether it's the difference. The main thing was the difference between the misinformation, disinformation, which many of us get the wrong conception of it. Lastly, I'd like to thank the Embassy of Canada for this great opportunity. We, the journalists of Bhutan, are very grateful to you. Thank you.
I take this opportunity, of course, first to thank the entire team of the Embassy of Canada plus SMM for coming here, spending so much time, giving you all the inputs. So I take this opportunity to thank them, and it's been really wonderful the last 2 days to have people from India. We kind of missed that. And thank you so much. In fact, I was a little skeptical initially when you told me that, because last time we had a bad experience when we called media professionals from Bhutan. We had very, less people coming in, but really surprised to have 19 of you out here.
Canada is proud to partner with Guwahati University to facilitate this capacity building workshop for media persons and students of mass communications. I would especially like to thank the Vice Chancellor, the Registrar, and Professor Bharati Barali for making this event possible. Authentic and accurate reporting have always been hallmarks of quality journalism, which is more important than ever in an area of pandemics, economic hardship, and conflict.
So I really want to thank High Commission of Canada and Social Media Matters, those who have provided us with the workshop on media capacity building. So in this session today we have learned various tools and equipments, or anything you can say that.
पहले तो हम धन्यवाद धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे कनाडा हाई कमीशन एंड सोशल मीडिया मेटर्स को, क्योंकि 2 दिन के लिए जो वो लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं गुवाहाटी यूनिवर्सिटी, और 2 दिन के लिए वो लोग जो वर्कशॉप करा रहे हैं हम लोगों को, उससे हम बहुत ज़्यादा लाभवान हुए हैं। क्योंकि आजकल हमारे देश में जैसे मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन डिसइन्फॉर्मेशन फैला गया है, उसके रिगार्डिंग हमें वो ज्ञान देने आए थे कि हम कैसे टूल्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं रिगार्डिंग फैक्ट चेक एंड ऑल। सो इस ज़रिए हम लोग ये सीख पाते हैं कि बीइंग नॉट अ मीडिया स्टूडेंट, एज ए नॉर्मल पर्सन, एज ए नॉर्मल सिटीज़न, हम कोई भी न्यूज़ अगर सोशल मीडिया पे आए तो हम उसको फैलने से हम रोक सकते हैं बिफोर अप्लाइंग अ फैक्ट चेक। सो मैं मतलब ये जो इन लोगों का इनिशिएटिव है, मैं उन लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि जो मीडिया स्टूडेंट के लिए ये तो बहुत लाभवान है, एज ए नॉर्मल पर्सन और एज ए नॉर्मल सिटीज़न के लिए भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। तो जो जानना तो कि मतलब फैक्ट चेक या फिर जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन डिसइन्फॉर्मेशन फैक्ट चेक ये सब फैलता है अभी, तो उसको हम कैसे रोक पाए, तो ये वर्कशॉप हमारे लिए बहुत ही लाभजनक हुआ है। सो मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ।
Hi, this is Archana, and on behalf of the High Commission of Canada, I would like to extend my appreciation and thanks to Social Media Matters for compiling and executing these media workshops 2023 in Bhutan as well as in Guwahati, Assam, India, for the benefit of the media in these places as well as students of mass communication. I think this has been a very fruitful 2 weeks of training as well as an opportunity to engage with the local media in these places, and our collaboration with the Royal Thimphu College in Bhutan as well as Guwahati University in Assam, and this has given us a lot of new ideas to explore and new ways of partnerships. Thank you.